I've been going to Trimble Dental for 50 plus years. My first visit with Trimble Dental was with Doc Sr., and we went to him for 25 years or more. When I was 18, I was foolish enough to lift up a glass bank and chipped my front tooth. When I first started it, we were going to get the two front teeth fixed, and then the one next to that was sort of crooked, so then he also put an implant there. When the final procedure is done and you see what the outcome is, it's all worth it. After the implants, it just gives you a whole new attitude and feel so much better about yourself, and get a lot of compliments from that. And implants are just so natural. You don't have to worry about them chipping, cracking, breaking, or whatever. And I have had no trouble at all. I've been completely satisfied with them. And this office is absolutely gorgeous. You just kind of forget why you're in that chair. I love this building. It's very, very nice. Trimble Dental has given me something to smile about. There's no question about it.